Can I touch the Quran without wudu? And if I'm lazy, can I do tayammum?
Do not touch the Quran if you're not on wudu. Quran, ikhwan, is not a mobile. Quran is a Quran. So this is the Quran like this, not a mobile containing Quran. Mobile is a mobile. You could touch it. But touch the Quran unless you have wudu. Can I have a tayammum when you are lazy? No, you can't have tayammum because your wudu is unless it's not available. Yes, you make tayammum. And that is an important question. Not important, it reminds me of something important. Can we just go to this hadith that talks about, I need to add this, I forgot to add it. Hadith 788. There's a narration there, he said that this story was in the Battle of Tabuk, you remember?
Yes.
Yes, it's very important. Why? Because some school of thoughts, which is dying, that they say, I mean it's not really famous, they say that the tayammum is being abrogated by the ayah of the wudu, the verse of the wudu. And that's incorrect. Because this, which is what the Prophet ﷺ, he told Al-Mughira to take off his shoe because he's already put them on tahar, and he made a wipe, that is in the Battle of Tabuk. In the Battle of Tabuk is well after the incident where the revelation came for wudu. And the incident was for the wudu is Ghazwat Bani al-Mustaliq or Ghazwat al-Muraysiyah. And this happened in the year 5 after Hijrah. The year after Hijrah. 5 after Hijrah. As for Tabuk, it is it's about the year 9 after Hijrah. 10 after Hijrah actually. Okay? So it's the well after the battle of the regaining of Mecca. 5 of the Hijrah, so between them 5 years. So there's no such thing that the masih, you know, not tayammum. The masih is abrogated by the wudu verse. Masih still, you could make masih, inshallah. Even for the woman who's not traveling at home, if she puts her socks on, she could make masih.